If you own a business, I'm here with Chris and Orla of SEA Financial, and there's kind of 3 levels of accountants that you're going to find out there. Level 1, where they're historians, they do your taxes. Level 2, they might provide an outsourced accounting service where they do some tax planning. And then the 3rd level is really where you get a fractional CFO that's going to help you become more scalable and more profitable. And that's what Chris and Orla's specialty is yes, they do the accounting, bookkeeping, and taxes, but I'm the marketing guy. I just want to introduce them. You're going to get to know them a little bit. They are at seafinancial.com. And they've been doing this for over 20 years. But real quick, I just want to bring up, if you're not confident that you're doing everything possible to reduce your taxes and free up cash flow, if your business is maybe hitting that $500,000 to $2 million mark, and you know that you could improve your profitability, that you could establish systems to improve, Chris and Orla have kind of a 12-step process to do that. So I want to invite you, if you click this right now, we will do an analysis of your taxes and your accounting, and we'll identify ways to improve your business. But Chris and Orla, we'll go to you. You're kind of behind the scenes. You're the accountant. Chris has got more words sometimes. But why don't you introduce yourselves, help us understand who you are, what you've been doing, and then let's dive into it with Chris here.
Right. Thanks, Rob. My name is Orla, and yes, I'm Orla the accountant. I've been in accounting for over 20 years. I started out in Deloitte & Touche way back when, and moved to a CPA practice, and then after that moved to corporate accounting. So I've done audits, I've done taxes, I've done different industries, and it's been a wealth of knowledge that I want to use and pass along to you in your business. So if you need help with your accounting, if you have QuickBooks, doesn't matter, we can take it all and do it for you, or we can just support your accountant. We don't have to take all of it. So if you need any help with that, please reach out to us and we'd be glad to help you with your business. I'll pass it along to Chris. He does more the fractional CFO.
Yep, CFO and tax planning.
He'll talk to you about that.
Yeah. Tell us more, Chris.
Sure. So, Chris and Orla, I've been in accounting and finance for nearly 20 years. And my specialty has normally been to go into an organization and really dive in, understand the business, understand the various drivers of profitability and cash flow. And so I've done that for a lot of medium and larger businesses in various industries. And now I want to help smaller and medium-sized business owners who don't necessarily have those teams in place to do that kind of analysis and provide that kind of support.
Yeah, absolutely. And so business owners, if you like the idea of getting somebody with that top level intelligence and intuition and system in place to identify, cash flow opportunities, to identify ways to reduce your taxes. And I'm telling you, they have a methodical approach to it. So book a consultation. Again, at seafinancial.com, or if you were to click, if this is on Facebook or Instagram or whatever it is, we'd love an opportunity to look at what you got going. And here's so I'm a marketing guy. We have our own company. I've worked with these guys. Just genuinely, they're values-based family people, husband and wife team that are committed to their families, that do the right thing. I trust them entirely. And if you want somebody that can help your business scale, which I work with so many business owners that just get stuck. And they get stuck because they know how to go get sales. They know how to even kind of lead their people, but they don't have forecasting. They don't have budgets. They don't know where cash is going, or they don't know how to measure and push into the highest ROI activity. They don't know how to hold their teams accountable, and they don't know how to strategically plan for the big things that come. When you start hitting in 100 employees and all of a sudden your requirements for healthcare change, when all of a sudden you have some cash flow issues on your amortization schedules and your depreciation schedules, you want somebody that can come in and help plan for that. That's what these guys do. Book a consultation. They will treat you right. And now you guys are in Kentucky, but you help people across the nation. You got customers all over the place. Thank you so much. Book a consultation, folks, and we look forward to helping you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Rob.